Talk about sign creativities, sign fiction, sign realities, sign multiplication, mathematics, equations, the equation of sign multiplication, subtractions, divisions, the equation of times of scientific matters, calculations, the science and logics are evolved together in a searchable way of multiplications, of configurations, of a social science, scientific matters, the inventors of time. Being inventors is to inventor, it's assume that you can do the impossibilities, that matters, that configure the matters of thinking and doing the best possible thing that you like to do in math and science. So this story is about science. I learned about science in Africa. Science is my best subjects, is a good subjects of logical conformative matters, of seeing the creative genius. Science is good. Science can know the difference between matters and all the things that are matters in a logical way. We love to learn about science and all the particles, ingredients, DNA, all the ingredients, formula, the formula that are matters, the building blocks of our science and creativities. The science also is good. Science is good in many varieties of all the things that matters to humanity. Science is good to make medicine. Science is good to know the formulas of food we eat, the formula of things that are matters. Science is good for medicine, and science is good for all the things that can be good. As science also learn to do things. Science is good to make things better. Science is about science and inventor. The inventor, if they invent things, they use science to calculate, and they use physics. They use physics to speculate the matters and calculation. Math also has matters. Math is good. Math can calculate and knows the volume and the matters, and science will use science is statistics. The science can assume and predicts what will happen next in the formula of periodic table. All the elements of science include the science matters of scientific matters of all the science and matters equations. The science can predict the best, and physics can predict also the assumptions and probabilities of matters. The probabilities and matters are concluded in the calculations of math and the assumptions of math in a large scale of calculation, to assuming that matters resolve in calculating and knowing predicts the opposite side of matters. The opposite and negative, negatives and positive, positon and positon, positon and negative. Negatives revolve on the positive sides of matters. The positive side of matters can combine the matters and knows the sequence of the matters. The sequence of matters revolve on the frequencies of the sounds, the frequencies of the sound of calculating or volume, the thermometers of matters, the thermometers of the water. You can volume the waters and know the calculations, how hot they are, or how cold they are, or how the temperatures reacts. The temperatures need the assumptions and calculations of matters of the sequences of this mineral we call water. Waters are the minerals, parts, of ingredients of all the formula parts of life in the planet. These waters, they are unique, they are vast, they are good intellectual, they are good for improving the ingredients matters to dissolve the salt, the salt. Salt can be dissolved in the water. What is the matter of the salt? Salt, the ingredient of salt. Salt is a part of amino acids of the part of the human life creations in a long time ago. Is a formula of ourselves in a long time ago. So this is the story of our science and the speculations of matters, of sequences of matters, the sequences of regulations of matters. We learn about science. We could learn about geography. Geography is part of our atmosphere, and a faraway galaxy is a part of mapping the universe, probing into unknown part of the world, to world that is far, far, far away. It is a world that is scaled by calculations of matters, calculations of assumptions, and predictability. This predictability that can probe the cosmos sphere into the invisible realm and bring data to us and see the new data that what is out there. Is it invisible? Is it a rock? Is it a gold? Is it a diamond? We yearn to know what's there. That's the logical way of configuring the matters of solutions, of scientific matters, of all the research in the all human race. Human race are curious to configure what is matters. What is matters is what is logical. What is logical is what inspires us in all the individual way. We are amused by something amazing that make our hair tingling, so as to see what is best, what is illogical. The logical ways are important. So humans, they love to see something new. There's something new that's fascinating intellects, the thing that can empower us in an individual way. These things that are vast and logical. The logical conformative phase is revolved in logical conformative matters of realizations of truth and configuring the matters that tinglings in our head is to see that what is best is what is logical. What is logical is what is fascination. There's things that are things that are worthy, that are things that are good, that are things that are speculated. This truthness of things that are evolving, there are things that can inspire us and can give us wisdom beyond our hypothetical mind. Is the curiosities that are matters of love and all the kindness of conformative matters. This logical way are evolving in a variety of sequences of love, sequences of ideas and matters of solution. Thank you.